Ang JD po kasi, ang pinaka-inspiration po namin is James Reid type of music. Yung mga dati po mga 2012 na type of music. And yun po talaga yung root ng parang yung OPM na fresh sound na yung parang nanghaharana lang sa mga babae po, like girls, like, of course, all genders naman po. Pero ang ibig ko po sabihin, yung gusto po namin ibalik yung suwabe lang, yung papakinggan mo lang, nag-road trip ka, hindi po yung masyadong. Kasi, I like to acknowledge, we have our brother group, of course, Alamat. So, nandun na po, iba po yung image po nila sa amin. And we just really wanna be able to give to the other people na hindi pwede po kami kumanta, sumaya, and we can also act. So, yeah.
Inspired din ba ang name ng Gatdula sa Alamat? In fact, di ba, God is for Gatdula na din, an honorific name. And then ang Alamat din naman kilala for having native touches sa music nila, sa fashion. Ganun ba?
Well, ang pinaka-meaning po talaga ng G8 is gawang atin to. And it was Vic po mismo nag-isip nun.
It's not shortened from Gatdula. You can have it, you can do it.
Yeah,
pero ang pinaka-meaning na is gawang atin to. Proudly Filipino name.
And finally, for everyone in the group, paano nyo, kasi mahalaga as a group na kung hindi man kayo magkakaibigan, at least strong yung band nyo because it shows in the music, in the singing. Paano nyo ginagawa yun?
I think that we just really find time to spend time with each other. Like, parang may group chat kami, tapos parang lagi sa nag-aaya. Like, video call, minsan. Dahil naliligo. Nung nagula mo, sumagat si Ethan, tapos naliligo siya. I was like, asan ka? Gumagandang siya. Pero lagi kami lumalabas, we go to different cafes, kumakain kami sa ibang restaurants, gano'n. And so, we like doing different things outside of training and outside of work para maging strong yung bond namin. Siyempre, the three of us, we kind of already know each other, four of us, and then we know that our individual connections to each other are so different. And so, yung focus namin is to build our group connection para makita din sa stage po.
Tumira din ba kayo, my last question, tumira din ba kayo sa isang bahay even for a time? At saka, did you also rehearse 9 hours in a day? Dumating din ba kayo sa ganun?
Oo. Opo. Siyempre, I think, yung isang araw na dumiretso tayo after yung isang training, lumipat tayo sa Virginia, diba? We were so tired, pero kinakaya rin po namin. And I think, siyempre, kaming apat, we were in Regional Section E, so may taping days po kami. Tapos minsan, yung taping days namin, it doesn't always go throughout the evening. Sometimes, excellent yung sequences namin. So, we find time to do training, and then from taping, diretso sa training, and then minsan yung training namin 4 hours. Minsan, kung 9 to 1 p.m. gano'n. So.
At tumira nga din sa isang bahay, tama ba?
Hindi po kasi 16 pa lang po si Chaz, hindi po
So,
payagan yung mom niya, and then si Michael naman po yung mami niya kasama niya, so hindi po talaga pwede. Pero maybe soon, no?
Yes.
Soon. Nevertheless, okay naman yung bonding niya.
Opo, actually, I think we got to the level na, alam niyo po yung magkakapatid na nag-aaway. Kasi pag nag-aaway na po kayo, yun na yung totoong relationship, and then wala naman pong pikunan. Pero, totoo po kami sa isa't isa. I tell them na kung they're doing something wrong, and then he tells me if I'm doing something wrong. So, it's really a give and take po sa amin. Kaya, masabi ko, very, very close kami.
Congrats, guys.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you so much. Now, let's proceed with Sir Abed Nabos from Marites University.
Hello? Hello mga babies. Hindi ka, ang baby pa kasi nila eh. Tanong ko lang, meron pa bang mag-school sa inyo? Meron pang umatan ng formal schooling studies?
Yes po, parehas po.
Yes po, many
Saan yan? At anong grade na or high school ba or what?
Ako po, grade 11 po. And actually, the start of last year, nagsuschool talaga po ako face-to-face. Tapos nung dumating po yung group and yung mga pumunta na section E, I had to go back to Mojo homeschool po. So yeah, that's how my school works right now.
Okay.
Full homeschool.
Yung isa,
Sa akin naman po, homeschool po ako sa PIC po, sa school po sa Antipolo. Then, ayun.
Ay, ngayong nabuo na yung na-form na itong group na to, sa tingin nyo paano paano nyo mababalanse yung schooling sa mga ginagawa nyo for God? Paano yung schedules? Kasi syempre may mga ginagawa na kayong workshop or what. Di ba?
Usually po, kapag binigay po sa akin yung schoolworks, ginagawa ko po agad para wala na pong iisipin later. So, as soon as pagbigay po sa akin, gagawin ko na po agad. Like, siguro, mostly in the morning, kapag gising ko, ginagawa ko na agad.
Same po.
Okay. Para sa lahat, ano yung ini-expect ninyo sa industriya nito, sa pinasok nyong ito? Dahil ang dami na nga natin mga grupo, di ba? So what do you expect?
All love, syempre. Syempre, being in the industry is pretty hard kasi a lot of things can happen. So we're just hoping na we get good support and love from the people.
Okay.
For me naman po, I stand by this thinking na ayokong I don't want to meet people's expectations. I want us to set our own expectations for ourselves and our group. And I don't want us to meet them, I want us to exceed them. And so, I think the way that I think for our group, we don't want to compare ourselves to anyone. We don't want to reach a certain point that other people are reaching. We want to continue to top our previous work. So, syempre ngayon, ang daling-daling, naging viral siya. And so, I think the next song, we're gonna do our absolute best and work hard para magustuhan ng mga tao and see how we can top that and just continue to top ourselves every single time.
Okay.
Ako naman po, sa totoo lang po, wala na po akong expectations. Pero ini-enjoy ko lang po yung kung ano po meron ako ngayon, kung ano po na-achieve ko ngayon. And nag-start po kasi ako 30 years old. So, being in the industry for like 8 to 9 years po, since I was very young. And ngayon po, sobrang ini-enjoy ko na lang po kung anong nare-receive po namin pagmamahal sa tao, lalo na yung di ko po expect na magbo-boom yung Mutya, and then we would really see people recognizing our talents. So, ngayon ini-enjoy ko na lang kung anong meron kami, and kung ano man pong ibibigay sa akin ni Lord, yun na po yung okay sa akin.
Actually, same din po, as in, more enjoy talaga po ngayon. And yung goal po, for me, yung goal is just to make everyone happy, to entertain everyone, and we're gonna do our best all the time to make you guys happy. And then, as in talagang enjoy lang talaga po ngayon.
Sa akin naman po, same with Ethan and Charles. Very youthful na gusto ko lang din po mag-enjoy and inspire sa mga manonood po. I'm very happy nga po kasi may times po na may nag-chat na parang naging inspiration po nila yung God, ganyan. And ayun po, I'm very happy po.
Okay, my last question is, aside from singing, dancing, meron ba sa inyo nagko-compose ng songs, nagpi-play ng musical instruments, or what?
That's me po. I produce, I play instruments, and I write my own music. Actually, meron akong song na ginawa for our group na we're gonna work on in the future. And so, sana matuloy. But yeah, I produce a lot. I've gotten projects for like Kai from EXO. I did a Baby Monster project, and then other K-pop groups, and then syempre our group, and then we have our sister groups as well under Viva. So I'm gonna be writing and producing for them sana in the future. And so.
May iba ka ba?
Ako po,
What do you do?
nagko-compose din po ako ng kanta, pero hindi po ako marunong mag-produce. Compose lang po. And, yes. And nagpe-play din po ako ng guitar and minsan po piano. Yes.
Okay, bonus question na lang po. May mga future or ano ba ka naiisip na makakollaborate sa klase ng music niyo?
You go first, Derek.
No.
Go.
Siyempre, ayoko na pong positive po sinasabi, gusto po makakulab yung Alamat, syempre. Kasi sila po yung mga kuya namin. Siyempre, aside from them, SB19. Siyempre, lalay pa ba tayo? Kasi niya 10 kami sa stage, no? Sumasayaw kami.
Para sa akin, syempre, our kuyas, Alamat, SB19, Benny. But I've also thought na, what if mag-collab din tayo sa ibang like rappers? Imagine Gat X, Oside Mafia, Suspect Lee, sino pa? Si Al James. Al James actually is on the top of the list for rappers one day, so.
Ako po tatlo, of course, pop star ko, ang aking pinaka-idol ko talaga. Miss Sarah G. I'd like to do a ballad song with Miss Regine Velasquez with the group, and of course, Mimi. Of course, Mimi.
Actually, parang same po minahal sa ako po, Alamat talaga po yung inspiration ko ng mga pro. And, ayun po, siguro Alamat talaga po. Ay. Sige.
Ako po, gusto ko po makipag-collaborate sa mga rappers at sa mga, actually meron po ako naisip, si Sir JR po. Gusto ko po. Oo. Sobrang idol ko po kasi yun. Yes. Idol.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, mga babies, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.